Have you ever pondered the pivotal role that express cargo services play in the bustling economic landscape of Pakistan? The importance is substantial, weaving into the fabric of numerous sectors and fueling the engine of progress. Consider the case of a thriving business in Karachi. It's an enterprise dealing with delicate glassware, a product in high demand across the country. To meet the needs of a wide customer base, the business relies heavily on express cargo services. The reason? Speed and safety are paramount. With an efficient express cargo service, the business ensures that its fragile products reach customers in Lahore, Islamabad and beyond, intact and on time. Or let's explore the booming e-commerce sector. With the surge of online shopping, the need for quick, reliable delivery services has never been greater. Express cargo services rise to the occasion, facilitating e-commerce companies in delivering everything from fashion apparel to electronics right to the doorsteps of consumers. It's a seamless process that not only enhances customer satisfaction but also boosts the growth of the e-commerce industry. But it's not just businesses that reap the benefits of express cargo services. They are equally essential to the diplomatic missions and governments of Pakistan. When it comes to sending crucial documents or goods across cities or even international borders, express cargo services ensure speedy and secure delivery. Even on a personal level, express cargo services prove indispensable. Whether it's a heartfelt gift, important documents, or urgent medical supplies, individuals rely on express cargo services to deliver their packages promptly and safely to their desired destinations. To sum up, express cargo services in Pakistan are a linchpin in the operations of various sectors. They facilitate businesses in streamlining their operations, empower e-commerce companies to enhance customer experience, assist diplomatic missions in swift communication, and help individuals in conveying their important parcels. Speed, safety, and customer service are the hallmarks of these services, making them a preferred choice for many. Indeed, express cargo services are not just a means of transportation. They are, in fact, a vital cog in the wheel of Pakistan's economy, driving growth and ensuring smooth operations across different sectors. So, the next time you see a cargo van whizzing down the road, remember, it's not just delivering a package, it's delivering progress.